Hi everyone, I'm Lena Jacome. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm so excited to share this material with you, 12-beat rhythm marcaje that you can use por alegrías, solea por bulerías, guajira. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, I am not wearing flamenco shoes and it's not necessary. There's no footwork involved. It's a great exercise doing lower and upper body and a variation of other material that I've offered before. Go ahead and check out the links below if you're interested. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. So, starting on the 12, I'm bringing the right foot out. If you have a skirt on, a long skirt, flowy skirt, the idea is to hit your skirt in the back and let it flip and ruffle up as you kick your right foot out, okay? So this is gonna be on 12, 1, 2, 3. This is to the side and it's parallel front. So what I mean by parallel front is that my toes are facing the mirror or facing the front, okay? So I'm parallel front here, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm gonna step on that right foot. 6, bend that knee, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And I've already started on the other side on 12 with my left foot. So from the side it looks like this. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so now we're on the left side. I just went 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, step on 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right foot on 12. So let's go ahead and do that again, right, left, and then we'll add the arms. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, now the arms. So from the side, I'm just crossing my arms in front of me, keeping my abdominals engaged, and I'm facing front and I'm staying square. Now I can exaggerate if I'd like to. I can bring that right shoulder back, but I'm not doing that for this particular movement at this time. I'm facing front, floreada, away from the body, away from the body. Okay, so we're here 12, 1, 2, 3. So on 3, I'm just crossing my arm and it's not straight, it's a little bit bent, and I am dipping my elbow a little bit, floreada away. So I'm here 12, 1, 2, 3. And so instead of looking over my right shoulder, I'm gonna look over, I'm gonna follow my hand and look over to my hand. So that looks like this, 12, 1, 2, 3. So on 6, now I'm gonna put money in my right hip, in my right pocket on the side, and put my weight on it, 6, and I'm gonna cross, I'm gonna bring that left shoulder back and cross that right arm, 8, 10, I'm bringing those arms up to cross again, it looks like this from the side, and I'm bringing floreada with the left arm up and the left foot up. So it looks like this, okay? Facing front. So let's go ahead and do that. Right, left, right, left. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And that is it. And let me just face you real quick and do that. Right, left, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And there you go. There's our marcaje. Right, left, upper and lower body. Thank you so much for joining me. I look forward to visiting with you again soon in the near future. Wishing you all well and a phenomenal day.